Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can actually set up your Phantom wallet for you to actually start trading your meme coin and Solana network token. So you have to ensure you watch this video from beginning to the end. So the first thing you have to do, obviously, is to come to your Play Store. So you are going to search for Phantom wallet at your Play Store. So you are going to download Phantom wallet. So if you are using Apple, you can actually search for Phantom wallet. It's available for both Android and Apple. So after you have downloaded Phantom wallet on your iPhone or your mobile device, which is Android, you are going to open it. Then you are going to actually land on this in particular interface. So the first thing you have to do is to actually agree the terms and condition. Then you are going to see if you actually starting out. So if you're actually starting out, to see that you are going to create a new account. But if you have an existing account already, all you have to do is to click on I'm ready, I have an account. So due to the fact that I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that, you are going to click on create a new account. So there are different way of actually creating an account. So if you have a seed phrase already, you can actually create account with a seed phrase. You can actually create account with your email. So for the purpose of this tutorial, we are going to be using an email to create an account to actually make sure we get our account ready for use. So I'm going to click on create with email. So you can either use your Apple account or you can use your Google account. So I'm going to be using my Gmail account so that it's going to synchronize effectively. So as you can see, I'm going to use this particular Gmail for this purpose. So it's loading up. I'm going to actually allow it, then actually confirm me. As you can see, it's actually logging me in. So the next thing I have to do to actually make sure I create this Phantom wallet is to choose my PIN. So I'm going to create a PIN to use. So I'm going to create a PIN, then click on continue. So I'm going to click on continue. So I'm going to confirm the PIN once again. Click on the PIN once again, then create a PIN. So as you can see, it is adding my wallet over here. So it's adding my wallet. It's going to take a while for my wallet to be added successfully. So it's loading up. So as you can see, the next thing is to protect my wallet. For example, if I want to log in each time, I can actually enable fingerprint to ensure that I'm going to use my fingerprint to log into my Phantom wallet. So I'm going to allow it, then actually enter my fingerprint over here. So I'm going to enter my fingerprint. So my fingerprint has been recorded. So the next thing is to click on next. Then as you can see, you are all done. So I already have a Phantom wallet. So let me click on get started to show you what we are going to do next. So whenever I want to log into this particular Phantom wallet, I'm going to be required to actually enter my fingerprint to you to sign me in automatically. So we have our Phantom wallet. So if I want to enable notification, I can actually do that to actually notify me whenever there is information on this platform. So I'm going to click on allow, then actually allow with my fingerprint. So one of the important thing you have to note that is very important is to click on your profile over here. Click on your profile. So this is your account. So you can actually click on edit your account. Then you are going to actually copy this your secret phrase. So let's click on it. As you can see, you are going to agree the terms and conditions, then click on continue. So whenever you click on continue, you are going to get your secret phrase. So this secret phrase allow you to actually import your wallet if you actually, maybe you change your phone or you lost this particular login. So you can easily use your secret phrase to actually log into another device. I hope you actually understand. So I don't want to show my secret phrase because of the security issue. So I'm going to go back completely. So we have an account already. So another thing I actually want to teach you in this tutorial is that you can have several accounts. So this is account number one. So for example, if you have a bank account, you can have a savings account, you can have another account inside one app. So you can actually add another account. So if you want to add another account, all you have to do is you are going to click on this particular account number one, then you are going to click on add or connect an account. So you can actually create a new account. You can connect with add wallet, you can actually import a C phrase. But for example, if you have your C phrase copy in another notepad or any other area, you can actually import it using this particular method. So it's very simple and very straightforward. So as you can see, this is my wallet. I successfully create a wallet account on this platform. So in consequent video, I'll be showing you exactly how you can fund this wallet. So ensure you subscribe to my YouTube channels. Then I will see you in my next video. Bye.